Hi guys, there's lots of questions about my hair transplant here in Turkey. I wrote them down and I will now answer some questions to you. Why did you decide to get a hair transplant in Turkey? First of all, I'm only 28 years old and I had some bald places on my head. Also my children were looking all the time to my head. I was like, okay, when they give me the sign, I have to do it. So yeah, I went to Turkey. Second question, why did you choose Istanbul Vita Clinic? It's very easy. I had also some friends and they also come to this clinic and I saw the results after 4 months, 5 months, 8 months, and it was really good results. So I had like, okay, when they have this result, I have to do it also in this clinic. So I didn't hesitate, I just booked it. And then also, yeah, some people asked to me, how is the communication with the team? It's a very easy communication. They speak English, French, so it was very nice to communicate. When you had a question, you just send it to them and they answer immediately, sometimes after only 10 seconds. So you don't have to be careful, you don't have to stress about anything, you don't have to have some problems, because when you have a problem or when you have a question, you just ask to them and they will have immediately an answer to you. What makes Istanbul Vita Clinic different from other clinics? I think when you go to a different foreign country, when you have some stress to do something, for me the same, was hesitating a lot. And after 2 months I say, okay, I go to Istanbul Vita Clinic, but you have to take a plane, you have to fly some hours, then you have to come in a place where you don't know how it is. But I think they give me lots of rest and they give me the satisfaction, and this one was a very good clinic. So I think it's very easy to choose. I think there are lots of clinics, but you have to choose where you see the results, where you feel the people. And I think when Istanbul Vita Clinic gives some solution like this, I think for me this was the best solution. Last question I received is, are you excited for your new hair? I think yes. I think in this 1 week I won't see a lot of difference. It's like it's now. But in this 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and maybe in 2 years, it will be a total difference. I hope my children won't look anymore to my head like they did before, and it will be a total difference. I want to thank Istanbul Vita Clinic for the experience and also for what's upcoming in the next 6 months and 1 year. Thank you very much.